The headman of QUALLAPATY, Martamlin Pyrbot, had recently expressed his concern for peace in the state. While speaking about the recent killing of Cheristerfield Thangkhiew'S, Martamlin Pyrbot said that he had already sounded an alert to the residents of the locality about any form of chaos that might result from protests that take place elsewhere around the city. Pyrbot stated that the incident that led to the death of the former HNLC leader is a planned encounter, and he is of the view that the independent inquiry instituted by the government is nothing but delay tactics into the truth about the whole incident. At the same time, the headman of QUALLAPATY, while supporting the Sur Kinong Maulai, urged upon all protesters to maintain peace and order even as they continue with various programs so that daily laborers, wage earners and the general public are not affected in any way.
Thôi cái chuyện này con đừng cái đây các bạn lòng chiến có tăng ban phép ba tăng nung break cái chuyện đó là ada pun tăng nung mi cái cái khang bao chút sung nung jenjar đấy còn mình tìm đóng các lòng của chuyện đó sao sai ra cái này bằng cái cam khi cái này cái chuyện kia yêu cheris jangan singgung ni, ketika personal opinion mereka, jadi ngalai nampak. Ketika moderatis, kemudian dari television, kemudian ketika fake encounter, kemudian ini kedua direct moderatis, sudah cucian saja. Menurut saya besar kata tapi menurut balik, kamu nomor gila. Nang no gile, mi ang no gile tepe. Genre, kia bakit. Hi, depan ong ban na. Sejeng di mana mereka. Sur yang di mulai. Suspend itu kan. Kemudian, tapi dia itu bacamu. Ini kan Indonesia. Gada you mudan berapa? Tang suspect kan? Set no. Tang suspect. Kenyang dia suspect. Cispa ada tapi belum ni punya. Dia boleh nak buat inquiry kalau nggak delay yang taktik. Ketawa dia kejeng semua bro. Ngalai nggak ada yang